Hi there, welcome to SnR Investor, where we trade support and resistance. In this Chart With Me episode, we will explore the mystery of Apple's price action together. Let's navigate these stormy price waves and have a safe voyage. Ahoy! This is the yearly chart of Apple. So each candle represents a year of price activity of the Apple price chart. When we look at the yearly chart, we are looking from the perspective of a really long-term investor, an investor that invests for more than 4 years at least. So in this Chart With Me series, what we are looking for will be the support and resistance levels of the chart. How can we interpret this support and resistance levels, and how can we use the support and resistance levels to manage our investment better? First, I will draw the yearly support and resistance. Over here you can see we have a yearly resistance from 2021. Then after that, we have a support that was formed last year in 2022. Then the next major resistance that has been broken is in 2017, and the most major support is in 2018. So as we look for support and resistance, a quick recap will be we are looking for a very clear A on the line chart and a clear V on the line chart for support and a clear A for resistance. So other minor support and resistance levels that we can look at is also the open and close of the candle as support and resistance levels as well. So we have one over here and another one over here. So these are the different price levels that we are most interested in for the Apple chart on the yearly time frame. Let's proceed to interpreting what these support and resistance levels show us. So we start from the most recent events that happened. In 2021, price formed a resistance level, and in 2022, the Apple price was a down candle for the year. Early this year, Apple price broke a support that had stern resistance that was formed in 2020, this level over here, at this price, $133, and price has made an up move all the way to the resistance that was formed in 2021. Price went above that resistance briefly this year, and now the price has moved back below the resistance. Possibly a further down move can be expected, and we will have to see how price closed this year to decide whether price has clearly rejected the resistance or this is just a short-term retracement before price will make a clean close above the resistance end of this year. So if you are a really long-term investor, what you will be interested in is how this yearly candle closed this year. Does it close above this price, $177, or does it close below $177, or does it close below $133, which means that Apple is definitely in a confirmed downtrend, and possibly it will have to revisit its next support at $73. So as a really long-term investor, you can think of managing your investment with the SnR levels in this way. If price goes above $177 this year, you can consider to buy into Apple and hold the price for higher price levels. But if price do go below $177 again later this year, if it do go back up and go back down, then you might consider to cut loss when it goes below $177. And you can look to buy if price do go back to the support at $133, or you can wait and see how price behave. If it do break the $133 support and resistance, you can also cut your loss and wait for price to go further down to $73 if it does so. Or you can always re-enter if you were to cut loss at $133, you can always re-enter above $133. So a quick approach to investing on this yearly time frame chart will be to have bought above $133, such as $134, and to have taken some profit when it reached $176, just below the resistance. So you can use these support and resistance levels to take profit or to have cut your investment losses. We have reached the end of this Chart With Me episode. I hope you have enjoyed yourself. Please give this video a like and subscribe to receive future updates. Learn more at SnR Investor. Thank you and goodbye.